Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to start talking about what to do when we have a two-step solving for X problem. So we'll jump right into our first practice problem, which is 5x plus 7 equals 27. So the operations that are going on here is we've got multiplication. We've got a 5 times an x and then a plus 7. So there's multiple operations going on here. And we need to know which one we're going to take care of first. And this is sort of similar to our order of operations problem. But because we're solving for x, we're actually going to turn that order of operations on its head. And we're going to use our friend SAD Meg. And this is going to be the order in which we use to isolate x. We're going to do subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, exponents, and grouping. So this is the order in which we are going to isolate this x, okay? So right now the x is embedded in all these operations, and we need to peel away those operations to get x all by itself. Remember, that's our goal here, is to isolate x, get x all by itself. The order in which we're going to peel the layers away is this order right here, SAD Meg, starting with subtraction and addition. So that brings us right here. So we're going to attack this addition first and get rid of that. What's the opposite operation of addition? Well, that's subtraction. So I'm going to take 7 away from the left side, 7 away from the right side. My 7s are going to drop out. I'm going to be left with 5x. And then over here, 27 minus 7, that's 20. And now I'm just left with one operation. I'm going to do the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide everything by 5, divide everything by 5. My x is now by itself because my 5s have dropped out. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. And that is my final answer. I can always double check by plugging in the value of x back into the original equation. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 7 is 27. So we know we got that one right. We'll do one more practice problem. X divided by 3 minus 8 equals 2. So again, I've got division going on, I've got subtraction going on. Which operation are we going to attack first? Well, according to SAD Meg, we do addition and subtraction first. So I'm going to get rid of this negative 8. To get rid of the negative 8, I need to add 8, the opposite operation. I'm going to add that to both sides. So my 8's drop out. I got x divided by 3 equals 2 plus 8 is 10. Now I'm just left with one operation. I need to undo the division by doing the opposite operation. I'm going to do that by multiplying by that denominator so that the 3's drop out. I put it in fraction form so that it will match up with kind of the fraction that I have here. If I multiply by 3 on the left side, got to do that on the right side. I'm just going to do a 3, not 3 over 1, because I don't have a fraction over here. 3 over 1 is the same thing as 3. I'm left with x. 10 times 3 is 30. There's my answer. Let's plug it back in. X, let's plug in 30 for x. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. minus 8 is 2. Check, we're done. And that is solving for x with two-step using our friend SADMEG here. And again, it is GEMDAS written backwards. GEMDAS, GEMDAS is written backwards. So that's a nice way to memorize it. GEMDAS, we use that when we're doing order of operations. We use SADMEG, the opposite, when we're solving for x. Have a great day. Thank you for listening.